Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I'm going to be talking about our TK-50 Telecom Installer Toolkit. It's a 5-piece toolkit that consists of our M-216C ES22 can wrench, our ES1964 scissor, KN7 splicer's knife, and JIC 22035 spudger, and our H-50 pouch. The M216C S22 has wire stripper built in, 7/16 inch socket on one side, thin wall to get access to the shielded nut on the pedestals, 3/8 inch socket on the other side for all the hardware inside the pedestal, KN7 knife, 1 3/4 inch cutlery steel blade, super sharp, ergonomically designed handle with TPR rubber for a non-slip grip, ES1964 scissor, serrated on one side to prevent wires from slipping, 2 notches for wire stripping, and file on the back here for roughing up fabric or old style wires. Pro pick or a spudger for hooking and picking wires from a wire bundle. And the pouch itself, made of PVC material. It actually has 5 pockets, so you have a spare pocket if you want to put a pencil in it, and a belt clip in the back.